everyone. So in today's video we are going to be discussing how to program the product sorting process in our advanced search. So as you have watched the previous video, we were discussing on how this exactly works and how we get our images or the products which we want to appear, and we'll move on into the details. So here we have our select category, our brands from our database, our models, our condition, our select color, and then we can select from the price high to low or low to high. So first we can enter keyword if we want to, or we can search up all the brands which we want to, and we have Apple coming here. If we want if we don't have a model, we will say that we want a specific model, we'll be getting this model like this. So likewise, if you want brand new products, all the products which are brand new will appear. So that is that. Or we can be more specific and choose more than one of these and then choose the products which we want to, but not for now. Let's be specific and choose a product within a price range of 22,000 to 30,000, and see we have only one product within that range. If we make it 300,000, we have a few more products in that range. So that is how that works. And now let me type. We can even do this while having something typed as the keyword or without. So let's say upper limit is 60,000 and we have the letter V. So this is what we will be getting. So now let's type something like A, and we'll search in all the products. So we are getting all our products here. Let's search from our price from the highest to lowest first, and we'll be having our most expensive price products first, and the prices go down like this respectively. And from the price from lowest to highest, these are those price products, and from the quantity highest to lowest, we have quantity of 8, 5, 4, 4, 3, 2, and lowest to highest we'll be seeing those products in reverse. So that is that. So basically this is how the sorting process works, and I'll be moving on to our PHP program to discuss how exactly we got this sorting process done. So onto the programming part of our advanced search page, the sorting part of it. Let's move on to our advanced search on-click function, which we have in our advanced search PHP page, and that will take us to our JavaScript. And here we have our advanced search and all the values which we have. So basically all the IDs here: category 1, ID B, models, so on and so forth, added for each value which we are taking in as data within our database. We'll be having it echoed in a JavaScript linked to variables, and those variables will be linked to a form with names for with the form name with the variable names, and we'll be taking this form to our advanced search process.php. So this form right here will be taken into that via the post method, and it's true for it's true, so that means it will basically be an Ajax response, which means it will load during the background of our page and we won't have to reload our page again. And there we have the view area in HTML here. So basically where we had div which showed this item here, the magnifying glass where no item searched, will be accessing that value within that ID within our JavaScript as we move on to our advanced search process.php. And here we have added connect like link those values from the form of a form in our JavaScript, and our main query for today will be the query here. Select all from product. So here, if the sort value is 0, sort value is 0 means the sort drop down which we saw on the page, if it's all 0, then we have our validations to input the text where our title is like so and so. For the category, we are taking the category, and if the status is 0, then we take the category, and then the status is made 1. If the status is not 0, then we are taking the category here directly, and here for the brand, we're taking from the brand has model table. And if the brand is here, if the status is 0, we make the status 1, and we concatenate to our query where the brand has model ID and we have a brand appearing. Likewise, we have the same for the model in similar fashion, and we have, if there's no brand selected, how we take a model, and we have another validation process there as well. And similarly, we have another condition for, we have another if block for our condition where we have concatenated our basic query for which we have showed earlier in this video, and we are searching condition ID, and we're making the status 1 since the status is 0 here. And if the status is not 0, then we take our condition ID and we find it directly. Same for our color and our price to and from. Then we take it within the price range, and then price from. So basically, if this is not empty, a price from will be having a lower limit only. If this is empty, then we'll be only having an upper limit. If both are not empty, we'll be having a range. And likewise, we move on into our sorting process. So here we have sort 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically, if the texts are not empty, or basically the text meaning as in our input field for our keyword, then we'll be having a query concatenated to where the title is like the text, order by price descending, as we saw that it was high to low for the first one, and since the second one was low to high, then price ascending. And then since we moved on to quantity, we take from the quantity highest to lowest and the quantity lowest to highest, and we have another set of database variables linked here, and we have our basic product card here, which is a card from Bootstrap. And like in a previous video for the basic search process, we have linked those values exactly the same way via our database. We have a image code also the same way, and the same image table queries added here. And we have finally we have a buy now button and a add cart and our pagination, which is similar to that video. So that is it for the process and sorting of our advanced search process. Thank you for watching.